Good afternoon, my friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. So, friends, I have awesome news today. $200 stimulus relief checks have been passed to help many Americans across the United States. Congress has approved billions of dollars for a fourth stimulus package. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for the new stimulus timeline. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter any of the giveaways, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, do remember that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway.
I first became involved, as many of you know, in the fight to stop Corinthian nearly a decade ago. As Attorney General of California, I led the California Department of Justice, and we sued Corinthian. And we won, because our investigation discovered that Corinthian had engaged in false and deceptive advertising. They promoted programs that they did not offer. They penalized their telemarketers if the telemarketers revealed the truth to prospective students. Their ads falsely promised students that if they attended certain programs, they would be guaranteed a job after graduation.
With gas prices setting record highs every day, a group of lawmakers in many U.S. states want to provide residents some relief at the gas pump. There is a group of North Carolina state senators who are proposing giving every licensed adult driver in North Carolina a one-time payment of $200. It is to apply towards rising gas prices. To qualify, the person must be a licensed driver residing in North Carolina and must be at least 18 years of age as of March 31st, 2022. The national average price of a gallon of gas reached $4.71 Thursday. It is up from $4.60 just a week ago and $3.04 a year ago. The North Carolina measure, which is called the Gas Tax Rebate Act of 2022, would be funded by spending $1.3 billion of the roughly $4.2 billion in surplus revenue that was collected by the state. State Senator Michael Garrett, one of the bill's co-sponsors, told reporters, "Our proposal provides to every North Carolina driver a $200 gas tax rebate, roughly what the average North Carolinian would pay in state gas taxes from July to December. This approach keeps the Highway Fund and the Highway Trust Fund whole, while still collecting revenue from non-residents who are passing through their state and using our roads, highways, and bridges. And if passed, the bill would become effective July 1st, 2022, and rebates would be sent out by October 1st. So friends, this is good news for those of you that reside in North Carolina. Another proposal from a group of congressional Democrats would provide an energy rebate of $100 direct payments to qualifying Americans. Representatives Mike Thompson, John Larson, and Lauren Underwood have introduced the Gas Rebate Act of 2022, providing $100 per month for adults and $100 for each dependent for the rest of 2022 for any month where the national average gas price exceeds $4 a gallon. The plan is modeled after previous stimulus checks were designed to jumpstart the economy amid this crisis. The first stimulus payment of $1,200 per person was made in March of 2020, followed by $600 in December of that year, and then $1,400 in March of 2021. Like the earlier stimulus payments, the gas money would be sent to single filers earning less than $75,000 per year, before phasing out for those earning $80,000 or more. Joint filers earning $150,000 or less would receive these payments, phasing out at $160,000. The bill does not include information on how the payments would be funded. Other proposals, however, would put the cost of a gas rebate on large oil companies. Democratic Representative Ro Khanna and Senator Sheldon Whitehouse are both proposing a big oil windfall profits tax. According to CBS News, the tax would charge a per barrel tax equal to 50% of the difference between the current price of a barrel of oil and its pre-crisis average price between 2015 to 2019. For example, if the oil price per barrel is $120, the tax would raise about $45 billion a year, providing single filers with $240 annually and joint filers with $360 each year. A third proposal from Democratic Representative Peter DeFazio would also create a rebate based on oil company profits. The Stop Gas Price Gouging Tax and Rebate Act would provide payments through taxing this year's profits on oil and gas. It is still unclear exactly what the payments would be. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you agree with me that all Americans should receive gas inflation checks? Please let me know in the comment section below. Friends, the key word for this video is Everglades. If you would like to enter tomorrow's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword on each video that you watch. Remember, friends, the keyword for this video is Everglades. U.S. consumer confidence edged lower in May as Americans' view of their present and future prospects dimmed in the midst of persistent inflation. The Conference Board said this week that its Consumer Confidence Index dipped to 106.4% in May, which is still a strong reading from 108.6% in April. Prices are rising for just about everything, forcing millions of Americans to make increasingly difficult choices. More than 8 in 10 consumers are planning to rethink or even reduce their product spending in the next 3 to 6 months. Many consumers are expecting the government to send out additional financial aid before the midterm elections. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that another stimulus check will be passed before the November elections? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's giveaway is Marcellus Roberts. Congratulations, my friend. Please note, if I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.